Nick DeYoung at Kocourek Ford Lincoln in Wausau. Today on Kocourek TV, we're going to be taking a look at a 2020 Ford Explorer ST. We're going to be highlighting the Active Park Assist 2.0 feature. Stay with us, it's going to be a great show. Alright, so we're inside the 2020 Explorer ST. Like I said, we're going to be taking a look at Active Park Assist 2.0. Now, some of you may remember we did a video about 2 years ago now on a 2018 Explorer highlighting the last generation of Active Park Assist. In that video, we showed you how the vehicle would help you back into a parking space. You were still in control of the gas pedal and the brake, but the vehicle did all the steering for you. Now, in 2020, Ford has introduced Active Park Assist 2.0. The vehicle now will control the gas pedal, the brake, the steering, and the shifting for you. You just sit back and watch it do the work, which is pretty crazy. We're going to start by putting the vehicle into drive here, and we are going to start looking for a parking space. But before we do that, I'm going to press the Park Assist button on the center console, and I will get it into perpendicular parking mode, and it's going to start searching for a parking space on the right side of the vehicle. All we're going to do is drive down the line until the vehicle detects a parking space. And when it does, you'll hear a ding and on the screen, yep, it says space found, stop. We're going to release the steering wheel and shift the vehicle into neutral. Now we'll take our foot off the brake pedal, and all we're going to do is press down on the park button, and the vehicle will start to work for you. So I'm going to press down on that park button, and there we go. We have shifted into reverse, and the vehicle is backing up. Now you can watch everything on the screen. The first time you do this, it's a little nerve-wracking if you're not used to it, because you feel like, oh man, but it does a fantastic job. The vehicle computer will actually do better than you would be able to. Now we're shifting into drive, and the vehicle's pulling forward. That 360-degree camera is really cool on here too, because you can see everything around your vehicle as you're parking. Now we're shifting into reverse. It's lining up with that space and backing us in. It's really nice with a big vehicle like this, where you can't always see everything around you, that it will actually do things like this for you. It really makes your life easier. And then we're done. It's perfectly lined up. The vehicle will automatically put us in park. We can release that park button, shut off the vehicle, and get out and get on with our day, which is just fantastic. Really cool features on these new 2020 Ford vehicles. It's not just on the Explorer ST, it's on almost every vehicle that Ford makes in 2020 and Lincoln, and it's an optional feature. So folks, I hope you liked what you saw today. I hope it helped you out. If you liked it, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to Kocourek TV on YouTube. Leave a comment if you have any questions. We'll be happy to help you out. Until next time, I'm Nick DeYoung. Have a great day.